So how was the installation for you guys?
It was great. They always kept in touch. They let you know when they'd be here. I didn't even see like the old windows. It was like they disappeared.
Really?
Honestly, I really,
awesome.
it was.
That's awesome. So, Miss Barbara, it is very important to us that we do a really good installation. It just is. And that's one of the things that we try to communicate to other people as we're in the house with them, tell them about the installation. So how was the installation for you guys?
It was great.
Okay.
You know, they always kept in touch. They let you know when they'd be here. They cleaned up. You know, they were good. He let me know anytime he needed to do something, what they were doing.
Oh, that's awesome.
You know, come and go.
So they didn't bring a bunch of mud in the house?
Oh gosh, no. No, never.
Good.
It was a good crew, and you could tell they were close. They all knew what they each had to do.
Like they had done it before?
Yes, oh for sure. They definitely knew and had done it before.
What about the outside? What was that like, the cleanup?
They cleaned everything. I mean, there was nothing left.
You didn't have to go back behind them?
No, because you know they had ladders for the upstairs windows and any materials. I didn't even see like the old windows. It was like they disappeared.
Really?
Honestly,
That's
really,
awesome.
it was.
That's awesome.
They were just gone.
That's really good. So there's no remnants left. That's super cool. What about how long was it? How long did it take them to do it? You said.
The first batch of windows, because there was a lot, all the ones here, and then there was like 3 or 4 upstairs. And so that was like a day and a half. Mm-hmm. The first day was a long day. They worked long. And of course it was later in the year, so it got darker earlier, but they were still out there trying to, you know, finish the ones they had started. Yeah, my husband had floodlights and he brought them out and put them up for him.
That's awesome.
Because I was worried about him being on a ladder in the dark. So,
yeah.
They did that, and then the next day it didn't take them as long. They just had a few to finish up because they like this one, because it's such a big window. Mm-hmm. It's the 3.
Oh yeah.
So they did that. They saved that for last.
The triple glider.
Right, because they also couldn't put everything on the truck, and so. He saved it for the second trip.
Yeah. I got you.
And then when they did like the bedroom door, because I had 2 small windows upstairs and the bedroom door, and they did that in a day.
Man, that's cool. Did they show you how to work everything after it was done?
Yes, he did. He did. They were just so friendly, so nice.
That's great. We really love hearing that.
Yeah, and like I said, we were happy that they came back as the second crew for the second go-round, because we just enjoyed having them.
It's, you know, you can't always get that for customers, but we try to when we can. And that is really cool that you got to have them.
It was good.
I love that. Well, hopefully in the future, if there's anything else you guys need, we'll give you the same guys.
Okay.
If they're still with us.
That'd be awesome.
Well, thank you for that.